On-demand delivery business are here to stay. Over the past few years, Uber-like startups witnessed tremendous growth. Growth in terms of market value, in terms of user base, and even in terms of types of services. And the latest service startup to join this Uber for delivery bandwagon are on-demand fuel delivery startups. If you're thinking about cashing on this gold mine of opportunities, keep watching this video. Hello everyone, I'm Ritesh Osta from Innofite, and today I'm going to discuss the best ways to start a fuel delivery business like Uber. Now, before I go deep into the discussion, I would request you to subscribe to our channel. If you're enthusiastic about product design and development, startups and entrepreneurship, we discuss a lot of problems and solutions in the tech world and how it can solve your business problem. We also send a lot of free giveaways like ebooks, templates, worksheets to our subscribers regularly. So do stay connected to us. I remember back in 2015, a company called Booster Fuels was making headlines. They were all over media, from market-focused platforms like GeekWire and the Wall Street Journal to news media like The Guardian. It seems like the general public was going gaga over it. Today, Booster Fuels has tie-ups with companies that have their own parking lot, companies like Facebook, Pepsi, PayPal, and eBay. These are big names, right? And they rely on Booster for a very essential service. That is, getting the vehicle tank of their employees filled. And how do they do it? And what can you learn from their brand success story? Well, startups like Booster, Filled, and Yoshi build their brands on the idea of gas station driving to you instead of you going to the one. It solves the pain point of people with busy schedules for whom driving to gas stations was not a task that they were looking forward to and found it time consuming. More fuel delivery startups began to come up with their own gas on demand business models. But like most businesses, it is important to understand the market first. So I am here to discuss these business models and the scope of launching your own startups around fuel delivery. But before I move on to existing business models and the scope, let's discuss how fuel delivery app works. If you have ordered food from Zomato or anything from Amazon, you will understand this simple business model. First, user need to open the app and set up the account with vehicle details. After that, they need to set up their location to help the service know where the car is parked for easy tracking. Then the delivery frequency and the date has to be chosen. Some gas delivery business allow you to avail their service by setting the date and time for delivery that will be convenient for the users. Next, you select the fuel amount and the fuel type. And finally, pay online for your order using secure payment gateway apps. Now that you know how fuel delivery solutions work, let's talk about the business models. Also, which startups are doing well in the market and what can you learn from them. The first model I would like to mention here is Booster Fuels. If you want your tank filled by this company, all you need to do is park your vehicle, pin your location, and pop the fuel door open. You can go about doing your job and they will fill your tank in a matter of minutes. Like mentioned before, Booster Fuels has tie-up with companies that have their own parking lot. Companies like Facebook, Pepsi, PayPal, and eBay. And what's different about them? They have their own fleets that are smaller in size compared to regular fueled vehicles that can fit into any parking space. But what makes them popular is the fact that they don't charge any delivery fees for their services. Next, we have Yoshi. Yoshi is more than just your regular fuel delivery company. They provide complete car services like car wash, oil change, tires check, engine cleaning, and of course, fuel delivery. You can get your tank filled on a regular basis for a subscription fees of just $16. The price per gallon is less if you get other services as well as apart from the fuel. Yoshi also has a free 30-day free trial for anyone who is willing to try their services. They have incentive programs like free refill if you refer to a friend or family member to try out this service, which is a growth hacking technique and helps them attract new users. Another business model which is doing really well is Filled. Fill does not come to your parked car for a refill service anywhere, but rather to your neighborhood on destined days every week twice. This way they are able to provide wholesale rate in a given area, thus reducing their overall cost. They charge a small delivery fee as well, which covers every vehicle registered on your account. You get text message from them asking if you want to get your tank filled. On replying yes, they come to your locality and do their job. And finally, we have the V-Fuel model. Their business plan is pretty simple and quite similar to on-demand food delivery services. You open the app, allow the software to access your location, choose fuel type, quantity, pay the bill, and you're good to go. V-Fuel promises to come to your parked car on an average response time of 20 minutes. They do charge a delivery fee for their service. Now let's talk about the current on-demand fuel delivery industry and how you can benefit from its growing demand. The idea of a gas station driving to you instead of you driving to a gas station hit the market in 2015 and took the users by storm. Several Uber for gas delivery startups mushroomed all over the planet and tried to grab the share of this untapped market. The oil and gas industry is currently worth at least $75 trillion and does not show any sign of slowdown in near future. Do you know that it is expected to grow at an annual rate of 5% CAGR between the forecast period of 2020 to 2024? Despite global efforts to promote alternative energy like electric run vehicles, fuel power vehicles will rule the market for many more decades to come. So if you are thinking of entering the Uber for gas industry, here is what you need to know and take care of. First, you need a software to run your business and connect with your customer. Now, finding a development partner can be tricky, so we have created a worksheet to make this job easier. Next, you need to take care of the paperwork. Get all the permissions to ensure that your business meets all the government regulations. And finally, location is one of the most important factors contributing to your app's success. Launching a business in a saturated market is not a good idea, as your business will struggle to gain a large user base. So where can you launch your fuel delivery business? 1. Any city where the gas delivery system is present but the people are not happy with their services. 2. In any location where the fire department laws regarding the fuel delivery are not stringent. And 3. Any location where gas delivery business are not currently present. 4. In big cities where the price of land is high and maintaining gas stations is exorbitant. 5. In locations like New York City or LA where people are mostly busy with their little time for running errands like driving to a gas station for fuel refills. Now, after you have launched your app successfully, you need to attract a large user base for your service. To know more about how to market your product, download this free guide that we have created for startups like you. And if you want the complete guide to starting your own fuel delivery business, we have a free guide for that as well. All the links can be found in the description below. So folks, if you have any ideas in mind when it comes to launching a fuel delivery business, I want to know about it. Let us know what you think about it and what has worked for you. Please share your ideas with me and with our audience in the comment section. And please share this video with any of your friends or colleagues who are either an entrepreneur or are in process of becoming one. This video might help them succeed faster. If you're an entrepreneur, startup, business person or somebody associated with tech industry, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We discuss a lot of problems startups and entrepreneurs face and what are the best ways to deal with them. Please like and share this video and spread the message. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.